I cleared out all the overhanging plants and exposed the existing retaining wall. Then I trimmed the overgrown bushes and used a power washer to clean the concrete blocks. After washing, I added another row of blocks, filled the gaps with sand, and topped up the garden with new mulch. It already looked amazing and I was ready to install the lighting. I then placed the rope light on the inner side of the edging, starting from the farthest end of the garden bed. I secured the light in place using garden staples about every 12 inches. Most importantly, LED lights are energy efficient. This is a perfect way to light up your walkways and other parts of the garden at night. It enhances safety while adding beautiful accent lighting.
Imagine this, a perfectly trimmed lawn, and you don't need to lift a foot to mow it, just a finger. Meet the Eufy E15 robot lawnmower, your new favorite time saver for backyard season. Whether you're gardening, tossing a ball with your dog, or just relaxing with your family, you should be enjoying your lawn, not working on it. Setting it up, it's as easy as it gets. Most robotic mowers require boundary wires that have been buried precisely into the ground, but not the E15. There are no wires, no external antennas, no complicated RTK signals to deal with. Just unbox it, charge it up, and set it in your yard. In no time, the E15 uses Eufy's Vision Full Service Driving, or VFSD, to map your lawn with incredible precision. Once the map has been made, it's saved and ready to mow. The AI detection system is smart enough to avoid obstacles like toys, pets, or lawn furniture, and thanks to Eufy's edge riding technology, it mows right up to the boundary lines, no extra trimming needed. In the app, you can easily create multi-zone maps and design no-go zones, perfect for protecting garden beds, delicate landscaping, or play areas without any physical barriers. While the E15 handles the hard work, you get your time back. So go ahead. Plant the new flower bed, throw a ball for your pup, or sip lemonade with your family. Your weekends just got better. Plus, with a charge time of up to 110 minutes, it will mow your whole lawn, no matter how long it takes. Eufy offers 2 models to match your needs. The E15 covers up to 800 square meters, that's around 8,600 square feet. Or for bigger lawns, the E18 handles up to around 12,900 square feet. Both models tackle slopes around 40%, and look sleek enough to feel right at home in any yard. The Eufy E15 and E18 are available now. Shop on Amazon or eufy.com. And once the yard is fully mowed, it returns itself to the base to charge up, waiting for its next mow. Let the Eufy robot lawnmower handle your grass, so you can enjoy your weekend your way. Thanks to Eufy for sponsoring this video.
We decided to elevate our driveway entrance. We picked a spot on either side of the driveway and started digging a hole using both a shovel and some post hole diggers. We then added a wooden post to the hole we just dug. I held the wooden post in place in the hole after we got it nice and leveled, and then we slowly started packing in the dirt that we previously removed. You don't want to fill the hole completely with dirt. Leave some room for some quick setting concrete on top. This will definitely secure the wooden post and make sure it stays in place. Then, using a watering can, we poured water on top to set it. We decided to stain them a darker color, and then we attached some ornamental hooks on the front of the post. This elevates our driveway entrance so much and gives us some instant curb appeal. Another little extra piece we decided to add to the pole planters was a solar operated light on top. We drilled that in on the very top of the post, and at night it gives off a flame that appears to be flickering, which is a very nice touch.
I'm gonna grab me some solar lights. Next, head over to the hardware store. I'm gonna grab me about 100 feet of nylon rope. First thing I gotta do is blow up this dollar beach ball. Then I gotta get out some Portland cement. Make sure it's not concrete, but cement. You want it actually really thin because we need to coat that rope. Now, on that beach ball, just start laying that rope. You're just gonna start roping it all the way around. Once you get to the end, what you're gonna do is tuck that last bit in underneath the rope. It's gonna hold it in place. Then what we can do is move on to possibly adding a little bit more cement. Make sure you cover all that rope. We want it to stiffen up as best we can. Let it sit for a couple hours once we get it covered. Once it's covered, take a knife and just puncture the beach ball. Once we get it all the air out, just go ahead and pull it through one of the bigger openings between the ropes. Now, I want to clean it up. Took a little bit of a plastic fork and just clean up the edges. Don't want anything flaking off. Take a squirt bottle and start squirting all the string, and you're just going to powder it with the cement. Just keep doing that all over. What this does is make it thicker and strengthen it up. We're going to grab that dollar light again. Take out the bottom part. You're going to turn it around, put it in, and that's what's going to stick into the ground. Go ahead and put it right into the ground, right in the area you want to put it. And then you're going to take your string orb and you're going to put it right over the light, right in the middle, and lay it on down.